Cat 349F long reach. Had a lot of interest in the long reaches in the last couple months, so figured I get some reviews up of them. So this one is a Diecast Masters 349F body, and so are the tracks. And the boom kit is a CI Models boom kit. I don't think he makes them anymore, so if you want one, I don't know where you can get them now. There's some on eBay you can find, but anyways, I painted it, the boom and the stick at least, the cylinders. I put the hydraulic lines on. I put the boom decals on. So yeah, we'll go through it. I don't really have a way to hold my phone, so sorry about that. So anyways, typical Diecast Masters 349. It's a little dusty. It's been sitting on the shelf for a while. I just do a little spin around. This handrail is a little messed up because they're plastic. Anyways, that's all that. Metal tracks, just base 349. That's all that is. There ain't nothing special to that. Anyways, boom. It's got detail for hydraulic lines going up it. Get up here to the first cylinder for the stick. You see hydraulic lines that are probably on wrong, but some details better than none. These lines come off of the hard lines and then feed back into the stick hard lines. And I'll stop right there. These hydraulic lines are electrical wire, very small electrical wire. So people that want to know how to do hydraulic lines, that's how you do that. Got a little black smudge right here. Probably did that when I was painting it. Just got done painting it, something. More hydraulic lines on the bucket cylinder. Come down, got your digging bucket for ditching bucket. There, can't talk today. So that's the 349 long reach. It's not the best review, but it's a review. Gives you something to look at. I'll put it here on a low boy so you can see how that looks. I got a T800 in black. Okay, do this one-handed now. After I get it on there and you guys see what it looks like, I'll show you the boom functions. I kind of forgot about that. So it hangs off quite a bit, and that's right up to the gooseneck. I mean, it's touching or damn near touching. So that's, there we go, focus. So that's what it looks like on a low boy. That's what it looks like the other direction. So anyways, get these functions out of the way. So boom goes up that high. It's hard to get in frame. Stick goes in that far. If you're going for height, you can get pretty high. Let me get a tape measure. I'll tell you exactly what you can get. So that's just over a foot tall. And then all the way extended is Looks like that. And you get about 20 inches, roughly. It's hard to do one-handed. You need to get a tripod or something. And then we'll do boom down for digging depth. And that's your digging depth right there. There's a lot of depth for something for digging. But that's why it's called a long reach, and that's that. So there you go. There's 349F long reach, and try to get a couple more reviews going, and appreciate all the love and support on the channel the last couple months, and hopefully I can keep sticking around and doing this. So see you guys later.